And this is the final report presentation for the automatic lid, my project through the semester of spring 2022. And I'm going to go through the project and the control systems, as well as a few demonstration and discussion of all these functions of my project. And here on the side there's a small picture of my project. So the control system is that the proximity sensor will trigger the Arduino when it at less than 7 centimeters. If something triggers it, the Arduino will then make the servo open the lid for 90 degrees and close that same lid after 5 seconds. Product. This is the 3D printed version of the design on the slicer. As we can see, there are two different parts here, the lid and the base of it. The base also contains something to hold the servo, and I also printed separately a part to get in this hole for the hinge and to hold the servo into place. So as discussed, this automatic lid goes on my jar that I collect wine corks, and as I was telling you guys on the control systems, when there's something less than 7 centimeters away from the proximity sensor, the lid will open so I can put my wine cork in, and after 5 seconds it closes again. So this is the idea of the project, controlled with the Arduino board. The proximity sensor has a space for it to sit over here when it's activated, and the servo also has a place over here to be held, and with the additional parts that I mentioned. And here's the extra part as well to hold the hinge into place. And this is basically it for the project. I also prepared a different video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, when it's wine night and when you want to store your wine corks and your collection on your jar, you have to open the lid of the jar to put it in. It's so boring, right? Something so old. But now your problems are over. May I present to you the automatic lid. Now you can wave goodbye to your wine corks one at a time once you finish drinking your wine, and increase your wine cork collection in a much nicer and funner way than the old little regular lid that nobody likes. Using only the proximity sensor, an Arduino board, and the servo, we're able to create this beautiful project and wave goodbye and never use this little ugly old-fashioned lid again. Automatic lid.